What have I done? What have I done? Okay, so yeah. What is this thing? I hear you ask. Okay, hello everyone. Andrew here. This is a leftover bits and pieces of a GPX 250 Kawasaki. So this is going to be my little project bike. Oh yeah, so a few years ago now I had a little project bike. I call it the YouTube bike. Now this is along a similar sort of line as that one, similar sort of concept, but yeah, so we're starting from a slightly worse off position. I don't think it's running. It needs a battery. It's yeah, in parts, and I'm a little bit lucky because I got a second parts bike with it as well. So that's a bit handy. As tanks are useless. Yeah, and then over here I got bits and pieces. So yeah, let's see how we go. I've been doing a lot of research already as to what to do with these little beasts. So yeah. I don't mind these fake Muzaris or whatever they are. But I don't know. I think get the concept together first, I reckon, and then we can. Oh, I'll get it running first. I think that's the main plan. Get one of these running, and then we'll go from there. Hey everyone, if you're interested in this build, I'm gonna make a separate playlist so you can just tune in and watch the progress. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. So, what's the motivation behind buying these things? Well, first things first. This part of the motorbike here, I know nothing about. Like, I know how the engine works basically, but I've never touched a carby. I've tried to, where is it? There it is there. I've tried to play with the carby, but I kind of gave up a little bit on my Hyosung that I used to have, my GT650. But yes, I think I'm sort of keen on getting this going now. So, oh, I know what that is. That's a wreck rag right there. Yeah, so I'll get to play with it anyway and build something, maybe a cafe racer. I'm thinking that one's seen much better days. This one looks okay. Anyway, stay tuned.